My goodness, what a wild race this was. This race had everything. Even though my kart wasn't particularly fast, which, it happens in road karting. It's okay. We deal with the problems. The race format let me stay up with everybody so I could experience all of the beautiful chaos that was this race. I mean, there was bumping everywhere. There was battling. Someone got stuck on the wall for like 2 to 3 laps. And that doesn't even cover, half of what happened. It was just crazy the entire time. So make sure you stick around to the end to experience all of the madness that ensued. And I, admittedly, I do commentary in the moment as it happens. So I may talk a little trash at some point. But if I truly had beef with someone, I would talk it out with them afterwards. No big deal. It's okay. Now, if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the great stuff. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Well, we're back for another bonus race. The previous one was crazy. I'm looking forward to doing this one again because it was wild. So, yeah, we're back. We're doing a modified super speedway layout where the leader outside the cone section is way back there. So if you take the cone section, you basically go all the way to last place. Okay, my kart has to be slow. Oh my god, please stop pushing me. Or please push me, but maybe just don't push me in the sketchy situations, alright? Yeah, the kart's got a noise. I understand. It's got a little noise. So we may be down on power on this one, but you know what? We'll see what happens. We're gonna be foot to the floor on this one. So we lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots around there. Yep, that is tough, bro. Bro. Ah! Jesus Christ. Dave, please. I know you hit Lee into me. Holy moly. Oh, goodness. Oh, this is good. This is good. Oh, boy. Yeah, my kart's a little down on power, which stinks. But maybe it's not as bad on the shorter super speedway course. Oh boy, yep, okay, thank you, yep. Bro, you need to, you need to like watch where you're going, dude. You just like don't care. I should have just spun you. Okay. Yeah, people are pulling away. My kart's a little slow. Oh my god, stuff, it's getting wild. What is happening? Bruh. Ah! Bro! Damn it, Clay. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a wild race. I'll tell you what, whoever is in that particular kart does not care. Bro! Okay, well, we are in the back. The kart is not going very fast. It's okay. I mean, at least we're still with people. I've certainly been in super speeder races where the kart is slow that I'm like by myself and like no one's around. Holy Brian! Ah! Jesus! What is happening? How did any of that even happen? That was insane. Ow. Oh my gosh. Holy brother. So, there was a smell from something. Someone is backwards here? Oh no. Oh, he was from before. Ah! This is so wild. Ow! He's still there, bro. What are we doing? Are you gonna? Maybe his cart's broken. Did he get back up? He's still just chill. This race was insanity. Holy moly. Employee on employee violence. You're gonna get fired after that one.